It is the battle of the water flossers. So I have two big water flossers here. This is the JTF and this is the COSLUS or COSLUS, however you say it. So super similar. I've had this one for quite a long time. This one's a little bit newer. So you can see they look pretty similar. This one, they actually hold about the same, but there's a couple different features that we're going to talk about, so it can help you decide. So first, let's just talk from top to bottom. They come with pretty much the same attachments. They both spin, as you can see here. This one has the release lever here, and this one you just pull off. This one is a little bit easier to remove than this one. You have to push it and then pull it out, but similar, not too much difference. So the power button is here, and then you have different modes. This one has a soft, strong, and pulse. This one has a clean and soft and a massage. So this one doesn't have the pulse, so if you like the pulse, you're gonna lean towards this one. One thing that I love about both of these is that they are protected with the USB-C chargers. And so this one has the little USB-C charge right here. And then on the front with this one, you just pull this little tab out and you do it there. And the biggest game changer similar with both of these is you can take these into the shower. So I love that because, you know, some of the other tubs that sit on the counter take up a lot of counter space. So I keep these in the shower. I just take all the pieces out so it dries out and I clear the lines, and I use it every day in the shower. Makes it seamless, fits into my routine, and makes sure I stay consistent. So let's keep looking. It'll tell you when it needs to charge, and then this one as well, you can see the charge button there. And then they have the same fill up spot, the same tanks right here where you open up the nozzle or the little lever and you fill it up with the water. Pro tip is to use the warm water from the shower, especially if you have sensitive teeth. Then you're able to not be so cold on your teeth. So use warm water when you're water flossing, and that makes a huge difference. So both of these, I love both of them. I will say I do find this one a little bit smoother and maybe a little bit more powerful as well. So, but if you're new to water flossing, you always want to start off on the soft, slow, soft level right there. Soft right there. You don't want to start off too strong because these are pretty powerful. And if you are not used to flossing or water flossing, it can irritate the gums. And so I started off slow, and then this one does have a gradual increase, which is kind of like a DIY. This mode is just straight, you know, clean, soft massage, so it doesn't have any in between. But this one, it kind of has an in between between soft and strong, so you can kind of raise it and lower it how you feel. So those are just some little things that I noticed. This one, you can switch the modes between each as well. But I am a huge fan of water flossers, and if you are battling between the two, hopefully that cleared up a couple questions that you might have. They're so helpful. They make my teeth and my gums feel a lot cleaner, and hopefully you got some good questions answered and you're able to make a better decision. We'll see you next time.